Hi and welcome back to my channel, Lulu's World. If you like this video, please, sorry that was weird, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. This is just going to be a hopefully brief unboxing for BeautyGarde. It is what I call a cosmetic company, which is owned by the fabulous Noni Creme, who was on Marrying Millions for a few seasons before the show had ended. She was one of the main characters on that reality show, or main people. Anywho, that's where I originally discovered her. She's also the owner of Butter London and some other cosmetic businesses, or another one I don't remember off the top of my head. I couldn't tell you. But she did open up another business called BeautyGarde, which I've been using for, I don't know, a couple months now, more or less. And she mainly has products for nails. There's also products in there for your brows and your lashes and also lips, but it's mainly geared towards the nails from what I've seen. I do have an affiliate link that I will, or it should be included in my description box, that you can use to save on your purchase with BeautyGarde. I had ordered more stuff this time around. I've used her Rocket Nail Fuel for a couple months now, almost. Definitely a month. More than a month, maybe less than 2 months. And this is what I think is the third time buying this. I believe third or fourth time buying. But I've been using her nail fuel, Rocket Nail Fuel. It's a nail strengthener to get my nails going. And I also ordered some other stuff this time around. I've gotten her nail polish remover before, but I happen to have gotten this like set, which it's a bundle set, which includes Rocket Fuel, a nail color, and the nail polish remover, which I like using now that I've been using it for a bit. I also bought another Rocket one because I know I'm going to be using it, and if you use it daily, almost daily, and enough of it, it goes pretty quickly, I've learned, because I literally used like one of the last bottles till it was almost empty. Anywho, and I also got a lip serum, like a plumper type situation that I'll show and share with you. And so let's get to it. So I did order 5 things, and let's start with it. So this is the box. Don't look at my address. So this is the box that it all came in. They always give you this pretty tissue paper, which is black and floral. And this is the pump that you will attach to the nail polish remover. They pack it separately, which I think is interesting, and I guess to keep it from spilling, because if you put this in there, if it's in right, it pumps. No, it's not in here right now. I have my other one, but I think it's in my bedroom. When it's on right, this will pump. So if you have this on the bottle while it's packaged away, there's a good chance it will spill out. So they do this as a way to keep it protected and safe, and I think nail polish remover is flammable. Pretty sure it's highly flammable, so it's just good for safety. So, I had already opened it up so I can get this out so I can use this before I did this video. I've had this sitting for, I want to say, about a week in my house. So, before we get to the nails, let's try this. Did I order I thought I got the lash thing. Maybe I just got the lips and nails this time around. I might not have ordered the lash thing. So, look at it. I was going to try a lash serum, I thought, but I just got lip serum and nails this time around. It's okay. There's always other times. So this is the other part of the nail fuel remover. Horsetail infused and acetone free. So what you would do is you would remove this, stick this in. You get it in the right way, and you could pump it. And I use cotton balls usually, and I just like give it a few pumps. Sometimes, you know, the nail polish, when I do it as often as I do, the clear, it gets really thick and layered on. So it helps if you know, soak up the cotton ball a bit with the remover. Let it soak on my nail, like hold it there for, I don't know, a minute, maybe less, and then rub, and it will come off. So let me see if there's a foil. Yeah, there's a foil on here. I'm not going to remove this one yet because I don't need it yet. I already have one that's already opened that I've been using. But I like it. It doesn't have that heavy scent that acetone has because it doesn't have acetone in it. So we're going to try this first. Wall Lip Volume Serum, Daily Peptide Formula. This is for your lips. It's supposed to give it volume, lip volume serum. It says apply swell to your lips throughout the day and always at bedtime to enjoy dramatic results in 30 days. This product does not burn or sting, always cruelty free. And she has this floral packaging, which I like. See if it smells. Not really. I'm trying to feel it and taste it and smell it, but it's not really smell it, which I guess is good. It has like the roses all over. It's kind of hard for you to see. You see it like that floral rosy pattern, which is really pretty. BeautyGarde. Can you tell the difference? I might have to wait 30 days. I don't know. But yeah, it does say give it 30 days. I can't fast forward that long from now. So you're going to have to see it right now. It feels good though. And then they packaged the polishes for me nicely in this box to protect them and save them from hopefully not breaking during the what do you call it? Throughout the shipping process when they transported this all the way from where it came from. I think this came from Washington State. Pretty sure Washington State. Like I think she's around Portland somewhere. Yeah, Washington. So I ordered this color, which is called Hot Topic. It's a pink. Kind of reminds me of Wendy Williams. Hot Topics. Kind of just fits. Hot Topics. Hot Topic. That's so lame. Oh my god, I could do my Wendy Williams expression. That's a pretty pink. I figured it would be good for like the spring, summer. And then it was from the Super Bundle. So in the Super Bundle, the System Super Bundle, you get to pick a nail color, which was Hot Topic. That's the one that I chose out of the selection they gave me. And you get a Rocket Nail Fuel nail strengthener. And I will get into the quick story as to how I started with it. And you also get the Rocket Nail Fuel remover with that bundle. I will get to the story in a second as to what led me to do this. Oh, and you also get a cuticle oil, which I have not tried yet. But part of getting your nails to grow and strengthen is making sure your cuticles are healthy and protected. So this is something that would be good to use, you know, to help your cuticles. It says all natural oils that soothe and correct damaged cuticles. I'm sure mine are. Apply generously to dry or damaged cuticles and massage until absorbed. It has like a nutty fruity scent maybe. I'm not sure what they put in it, but yeah, so I'm gonna just put some on just to give it a try. You could tell the difference because this is more yellowy, whereas this one is more blue. It's pretty. So I'm gonna rub that in. It smells good. Very fruity. It has a familiar fragrance. I just can't figure out what that familiarity is. I can't figure it out right now, but I'll have to look it up later. And then the last thing I bought was, oh, I got 2 colors. Okay, I got 2 other colors. Does it come with? I'm trying to remember. Oh, so I bought 2 other colors just because. So this one's a purple, a purpley purple, called Influencer. Purple. Oh, that was fun. Trying to find things that were like good for the spring, maybe the summer, I don't know when, but I like this purple. And then I got this other pinkish fuchsia-ish color called Desire. Desire. I was gonna maybe play with these now, but... And on the back of this, on the back of all of their color nail polishes, I don't know about the other ones, I have to look. Yes, it does. So they all say, I don't know about the oil, but all the polishes say vegan and semen-free. This potent plant-powered nail color repairs, hardens, and grows even severely damaged nails. So, whether you're using the Rocket Nail Fuel, like the plain Jane clear nail polish, which is supposed to strengthen your nails, even her color polishes are meant to help strengthen your nails too. So while you can use them together, you can use them separately. No matter what, they're supposed to help strengthen your nails and repair them. So what happened with me was, before I end this video, so I was working in retail for a while, and the last couple places I had worked at, retail, they had sold Kiss fake nails. I could actually show you an example because I have some, which I never used because I just stopped doing it. But I had used Kiss nails because, 1, we were using them, 2, I got tired of having like short, ugly, yucky nails. And no matter what I do, no matter how I polish my nails, the polish always chips. So it's so much easier for me to just do my own nails, like use these Kiss ones, for example, and maintain this, then to go to the salon, because I noticed I have like sensitive skin and weird stuff happens to my skin and places and stuff that you don't want things happening to. So from something they used at the gel, at the nail salon with the gels, so I just don't use it anymore, and it also damages your nails so bad. Worse, if not just as bad, is what happens to your nails. Oopsies. When you use like nails like this for a while, and when I say a while, I mean close to a year, over a year, like I was doing off and on for the most part. And although it's great for the company that I worked for, because I would promote the products, because we had sold Kiss nails, and I'd be like, if somebody said, oh, I like your nails, where'd you get them? Or, oh, I like your nails. Like, it's a great, conversation piece. But at the same time, it's like, well, yeah, it's Kiss. We sell them, like that. We have them right here. It's Kiss nails. But realistically, it can be very damaging to your nails. I know from experience. So it took me a long time to get them back to semi-decent. I was at the point where before I started using BeautyGarde Rocket Fuel, I was at my wit's end. And I was like, do I go back to using these Kiss nails, or do I try something new? Because everything I used at the pharmacies and whatever, Harmons and whatever, all the nail strengtheners that I was using, the only one that I found that worked before I tried BeautyGarde was one of them from OPI, the red one, which was a nail strengthener. And then the store where I was getting it from in my area, they stopped carrying it. So I was like, of course, every time I get used to something, every time I like something, they stop carrying it. Please don't jinx BeautyGarde. And then I found I came across BeautyGarde on Instagram, and I saw one of Noni's posts about the rocket fuel and her before and after photos, and I was like, wow, this lady has me sold. And I'm like, if it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But I'm going to try it and see how it goes. So I gave it a whirl. I tried it for a couple weeks. I noticed more improvement since I was using these other things, which weren't somewhat working and some not. We're kind of working or not working. We're not working enough. And I'm just like, I'm either going to go back to using Kiss or I'm going to try this. So I tried this. Eventually somebody reached out to me because they saw me, you know, interacting on her post on Instagram. And one thing led to another. I mean, invited me to be an affiliate. I don't get paid. But to be honest, I do get like a small discount, I think, on my purchases when people use my discount code. But I don't think anyone's used it yet. So I haven't gotten anything. But it's just my way of sharing the brand and my experience, my honest experiences and opinions with you. I recommend it. I'm going to definitely continue to use it. I mean, it's a real company. I trust Noni for sure. I always liked her on Marrying Millions. I don't really know her that well personally, but from what I see on Instagram and stuff, she seems like a really cool person. She's been, you know, doing really well in terms of like her beauty brands and stuff. So like I definitely trust her brands. She's somebody that I can trust. Quality and everything, I definitely trust her. So I definitely recommend her products. Definitely use her stuff if you'd like. Use my coupon code to get yourself a discount. And thank you again for watching my video. If you like it again, please give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Lulu's World. Click on the notification bell so you get alerted every time I post a new video. And I will see you all later. Bye. Do my lips look any bigger? I don't know. It's been like, what, 10 minutes? I don't know. Bye.